Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to publish your Base44 app to Hostinga. Now, to connect a custom domain to a Base44 app, you must be on a paid Base44 plan. That's the Builder, Pro, or Elite. Exporting the full app to host independently, that is, moving it off Base44 infrastructure, has limits. Base44 allows front-end export, but back-end logic and database services often remain part of the Base44's managed services. Hostinga provides web hosting, domains, and DNS management. To host something externally, you need the exported code plus the right hosting environment compatible with the code. Example, static site hosting for front-end and server for back-end. So, publish to Hostinga has two possible meanings. Number one, use Hostinga just to host your custom domain pointing to your Base44 app, that's the app still runs on Base44, or fully export the app code front end, possibly back end, and host it on Hostinga servers rather. So I'm going to walk you through the workflows. Now, the first step is how to use Hostinga domain with your Base44 app. In Base44, check your subscription plan, whether you're on Builder, Pro, or Elite. If not, go ahead and upgrade. Just upgrade. Now click on Dashboard in the Base44 app editor, then click on Domains. Now, I have not upgraded my plan, so just go ahead and click on View Plans to upgrade your plan. Now, here, enter your domain name that you have registered via Hostinga. This is the built-in domain, so no, we have to go to custom domains, and I cannot add a custom domain because I have not upgraded. So let's say you've upgraded. I'm going to show you what you do here. You see a communication box that's going to allow you to enter your domain, a customized domain. So enter your domain name that you have registered via Hostinga or elsewhere. Base44 will show you instructions, either ANAME, ALIAS, plus CNAME, or a record plus CNAME for root versus www subdomain. Now you see the values, example, base44.onrender.com, or a specific IP like 216.24.57.1, that kind of thing, depending on method. I'm sure you can see it. Now log into your Hostinga account and access the DNS zone of your domain. If domain is registered with Hostinga, managed via Hostinga, click on domains, click on DNS or name servers. Now, if using an external registrar, just go to that registrar. If using a name or alias, set the root domain to a name or alias pointing to Base44 value. Set www.subdomain with CNAME to Base44. If a name not available, use a record for root. That's the IP Base44 shows, and CNAME for www. Now, also remove conflicting A or AAAA records. DNS changes can take up to 48 to 72 hours globally, sometimes faster. So use a DNS checker to confirm. In Base44, go to domains. Once you believe DNS has propagated, use the verify button, and Base44 will check the DNS records and SSL certificate to be issued automatically if all is correct. Make sure your app is live and published in Base44. Users should be able to access it via the custom domain. Browse to your domain root and www in browser and test the multiple devices. Confirm SSL works, HTTPS, asset load, and functionality intact. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.